Welcome to Go E-Vehicle, your go-to channel for electric vehicles, including the latest trends, updates, insightful discussion, and EV reviews.
Thank you so much. Please be seated. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Valenzuela City Hall. Good morning, Valenzuela. You know what? Today, we'll witness the momentous official signing of the partnership agreement between the city government of Valenzuela and AC Mobility as Valenzuela launches its newest program, the Go Green Valenzuela. Before that, let me acknowledge first of all our esteemed guests and local government officials who grace our event. First on the list, we have our beloved Mayor, Wes Gatchalian. Thank you so much, Mayor. And of course, we're also joined by our District 1 Councilor, Councilor Marlon Alejandrino. Good morning, Councilor. Of course, councilors from District 2, we have Councilor Nina Lopez. A beautiful pregnant mother. Of course, next we have Councilor Sel Sabino C. And also we are joined by Liga ng mga Barangay President, Councilor Mario San Andres. Hello, sir. Also from AC Mobility, BYD Philippines and Iconic Dealership, we have Mr. Antonio Pizarra, President AC Mobility. Hello, sir. Welcome to Valenzuela. Of course, we have Ms. Lovely Labrador, General Manager, BYD Philippines. Also, we have Mr. Bob Malanga, Managing Director, BYD Cars Philippines. We also have Mr. Dennis Salvador, Chief Operating Officer, Iconic Dealership. And also, Mr. Chris Gamboa, BYD Valenzuela. Hi, sir. And from the Philippine National Police, National Capital Region Police Office, Philippine Prisoner General Anthony A. Abenin, Acting Regional Director, NCRPO. Also, we have Police Colonel Josefino Ligan, District Director, Northern Police District. And from the Valenzuela City Police Station, Police Colonel Nixon Kayaban, Chief of Police BCPS. And the rest of the delegates from AC Mobility, BYD, and Iconic Dealership, good morning and welcome to Valenzuela City. And at this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to request that everyone to please, let's watch this AVP from the global #1 in electric vehicles, BYD.
The BYD Dolphin. Experience the full power of the BYD Blue Battery. Your daily drives, fully electrified. Go electric with BYD.
Wow, thank you so much, BYD. And at this juncture, we are pleased to have us today, the Managing Director of BYD Cars Philippines. And to give us this message, let's call on Mr. Bob Palanca.
Ayos sa akin. Magandang umaga sa inyo lahat. Morning. Mayor Wesley Gatchalian, Vice Mayor Lori Natividad Borja, City Councilors and officials of City of Valenzuela, good morning. Brigadier General Anthony Abenin, Regional Director of NCRPO, good morning, sir. Police Colonel Josefino Ligan, District Director, Northern Police District. Magandang umaga po. Police Colonel Nixon Kayaba, Chief of Police of Valenzuela. And our colleagues from AC Mobility and our media friends, good morning. First, on behalf of AC Mobility and BYD, let me thank the City of Valenzuela and Mayor Wes Gatchalian for embracing electric mobility. Today, we celebrate the beginning of a groundbreaking partnership, one that realizes the potential of electric mobility while serving the public good. One key tenet of the Electric Vehicle Industry Development Act is the adaptation of electric vehicles by at least 5% of government entities. Moreover, Republic Act 1285, also known as the Energy Efficiency and Conservation Act, considers the electrification of government fleets and government energy efficiency projects. Aside from championing the message of sustainability that every local government unit should embrace, the City of Valenzuela is walking the talk by adapting electric vehicles for two of its most intensive services: police visibility and peace and order. The BYD Dolphin, which BYD Cars Philippines through BYD Greenfield will provide 41 units for the City of Valenzuela. This delivers the performance, the reliability, and the range needed for the city's police forces to provide 24/7 security presence. As an electric vehicle, the BYD Dolphin is ideal for the city police forces to respond immediately to people's needs. By eliminating the need for fuel and significantly reducing maintenance costs, the BYD Dolphin offers the city of Valenzuela the potential to save up to 70% of its fleet operational and maintenance budgets over the next 5 years period. This combined with the zero tailpipe emission makes the BYD financially and environmentally sound investment for the city. Moreover, AC mobility infrastructure will install 20 units of 7 kilowatt chargers across the city. On top of that, we will be installing two 22 kilowatt electric vehicle chargers plus supercharger, or what we call a DC charger, here in the city of Valenzuela. The city will be installing a DC supercharger. Ito po yung fast charger na tinatawag. Within 30 minutes, ayaw natin mag-charge and ready to go. From 30% charge of the battery all the way to 100%. So mabilis na po yan. This synergy between BYD and AC Mobility reflects our commitment in establishing a viable electric vehicle ecosystem in the city, which will be a shining model of sustainable mobility for more communities to emulate. AC Mobility and BYD are proud to serve the city of Valenzuela and its residents. We truly appreciate the city's trailblazing move transition towards electric mobility. As we face challenges in adapting a sustainable mindset regarding transportation, we know that together we can effect the necessary change to transform the way our community thinks and ensure healthier and future for the coming generation. Again, Mayor West, congratulations. Congratulations to the city government. Congratulations to mga kababayan natin dito sa Valenzuela. And we are all the way with you with your electric mobility journey. Maraming salamat po. Good morning.
Thank you so much, Sir Bob Palanga. Thank you, sir. And I believe this event will never be complete without us hearing the message of General Manager of the BYD Philippines. A round of applause, please, for Miss Lovely Labrador.
Mayor Wesley Gatchalian, the city and police officials of the National Capital Region and Valenzuela, friends from the media and guests, magandang umaga. To cool the earth by 1 degree Celsius, this is the mission of BYD. As the global #1 new energy vehicle brand, BYD is committed to reduce carbon emissions and increasing reliance on fossil fuels. Through 30 years of technological leadership and innovation, we have produced vehicles that not only promote clean energy, but also lead the way in transforming mobility through electrification. We are grateful to the progressive city of Valenzuela for choosing BYD and the BYD Dolphin for its police fleet. The city's choice is a shining example of how local government can fulfill their duties while promoting sustainability and being more considerate of the environment. This partnership symbolizes a new way of thinking that many Filipinos and more communities nationwide can adopt as they deal with their daily challenges of mobility. But BYD is more than just electric cars. We are also about promoting clean energy technologies. BYD is engaged in key global businesses, including electrifying public transportation with buses and trains, creating renewable energy opportunities, and implementing innovative green mobility solutions. We hope this partnership is the first of many to expand our cooperation with the city to help it achieve its sustainability goals. We would also like to thank our partner, Basic Mobility, for facilitating the terms of this cooperation with the city of Valenzuela. Today's activity shows how together we can all make the difference for the benefit of future generations. Cooling the earth by 1 degree Celsius is not just BYD's mission, it is everybody's mission. Thank you very much and congratulations again to the city and people of Valenzuela.
Maraming salamat, Ms. Alvin Labrador. And to formally welcome all of us, let us lend our ears to the very hard-working Mayor of Valenzuela City as he gives his keynote address. Ladies and gentlemen, ang tagapagpaguyod ng tuloy-tuloy na progreso dito po sa lungsod ng Valenzuela, Honorable Wes Gansalian, our Mayor.
Salamat. Good morning. Excited na ba mga kapulisan natin? Parang nag-enjoy din ba kayo sa Shoot Fest natin? Tapos ng general ng aming Mayor's Cup Shoot Fest at sunod naman po ang ating Chief of Police Shoot Fest natin. And I hope po magandang naging camera din natin kasama ang ating mga kapulisan. Do away with the greetings sa ating mga panauhin at una-una nagpapasalamat po ako sa oras ng ating mga bisita at panauhin po na nakarating mo ngayong umaga. Very small lang po ang ating programa, very short, at mas lalagahan na po natin pag dumating po ang ating mga police fleet na mga units po natin. Of course, I would like to thank the presence of our good General Abarin. At congratulations sa rin po of taking the helm of leading our NCR police force. And of course, ang ating mga kasamahan po, si Didi at dito po, kasamahan din natin sa opening po ng Shoot Fest po natin. Of course, si OP and the rest of our BYD family, headed by Sir Cody. And siyempre po, ang aking masasalamat din sa nag-organize po nitong programa natin na busy po. Of course, Bob was involved, the whole BYD team, and Councilor Tyson C. And our greetings also to our City Council. So, marami mo sa hindi nakakaalam ay nung tayo po ay nasa Congress pa, isa po tayo sa author ng tinatawag natin Electric Vehicle Industry Development Act, or EVIDA in short. No? This became law back in 18th Congress and naging Republic Act 11697. Ang counterpart po sa Senate ay si Senator Quinn. We did this long time ago, years ago, because we believe ito na yung evolution na dapat patunguhan. Because of this law, this EVIDA law is the framework of the electric vehicle industry. Kaya kung pumasok ang mga brands tulad po ng BYD at other international brands sa ating bansa, ay dahil po sa framework na inihanda na natin ang ating bansa. So, now, tayo po ay nasa local na bilang City Mayor ng Valenzuela City, ay dinala na po natin ang hindi na ang batas kung hindi po pinairal na natin by ordering ang mga new electric vehicles sa ating gagamitin. So, the direction of my administration is not only for Valenzuela to be known as an industrial city, but also a livable city. That's the thrust of my administration. So, pag sinabi pong livable city, marami pong criteria kasi po yan. But three important points kung bakit po natin ang ginawa itong binadget ng program natin is summarized by the word air. So unang-una, advancing peace and order. Secondly, igniting green initiatives. And third, revving up cost efficiency. So these are all part of ang tinatawag nating livable city. Very important, integral part ng tatlong programa nito. So, una-una, advancing peace and order. So, currently, PNP Valenzuela has 539 police officers using 63 police cars. Karamihan po sa ating mga sasakyan ay panahon pa po ni Senator Will, kung siya po ay mayor. Dinagdagan po ni Secretary Rex, kung siya po ay mayor din. At in this administration, we aim sa, gaya na sabi ko kay General Americ, ay sa first term ko pala gusto ko na pong kompletuhin ang modernization program natin para sa ating kapulisan. So, the usual ratio po sa PNP National is 1 police car per every 6 police officer. So, currently in Valenzuela, we have, with our 63 police cars, we have 1:9 ang ratio natin. But, kung dumating na po ang delivery ng ating bagong EV fleet, plus ang bagong additional natin na non-EV or tinatawag natin internal combustion engine, ICE. So we will have a total of 124 police cars roving around Valenzuela City. Siguro po para sa general, hindi ko alam ano yung numero po sa ibang mga LGU natin, pero I'm very confident na isa na po kami sa pinakamaraming police vehicles sa buong. So, ano po ibig sabihin po niyan? Ibig sabihin po niyan ay ito po ay karagdagang support na binibigay po natin sa ating mga kapulisan. Alam po natin ang laban is visibility. No? Hindi naman natin ina-expect na may mga hot pursuit tayo, minsan-minsan lang siguro yun. But what's important po is visibility para sa ating mamamayan. Ang peace and order is para to the success of the city. No? Kung ang tao, ang mga kababayan natin ay panatagang loob tuwing umuwi ng madaling araw, ang mga kababaihan natin na nagtatrabaho sa mga call centers ay hindi natatakot tuwing umuwi sila sa kanilang tahanan. Kung ang droga ay nababantayan po natin at natututukan po natin, lahat po yan mga kasama is what makes Valenzuela a livable city. So ang challenge ko po, kanina po, maganda po yung discussion namin ni General Abelin, ang main challenge po natin na nakikita po natin sa ating mga lansana ngayon is the prevalence of drugs. And marami po sa mga pumapasok po na mga binibenta na pinagbabawal na gamot ay nanggagaling sa borders po natin. Hindi ko na mapapakalala sa nanggagaling. Kaya po, ang trust natin pag na-deliver po itong ating mga vehicles ay sana ang una natin tutukan, COP ng PD, ay ang laban natin against droga. Yan po mga kasama ang talaga pong widespread right now, nararamdaman po ng taong bayan, at ito po mga kasama ang hihilingin po main mission natin, natutukan po natin, dagdagan natin ang visibility sa mga border controls natin at sa mga critical areas kung saan natin nakikita ang prevalence ng drugs. So ito po, aside from our EV vehicles na support natin, aside from the ICE na additional, meron pa po tayo 40 na motorcycles na in-order na po natin bilang support. At meron tayong mga bagong binili po ng mga radyo na i-deliver na rin po ito. So hopefully by first quarter of next year. Kaya po, ito na po ang nais ng Pamela Lungsod o Valenzuela ay paramdam sa ating 539 police officers na ito pong palaging nasa likod nyo ang lungsod ng Valenzuela sa lahat ng aspeto. Naintindihan namin ang sakripisyo nyo, naintindihan namin ang buhay na inyong binubuwis para sa taong bayan, naintindihan namin kung gaano kahirap ang trabaho. So the least we can do together with the City Council is to put budget in equipments. Next is, ngayong umaga sa pag-arakalan sa akin, na ilunsad ang ating bagong green initiative na tawag natin Go Green Valenzuela. Ang Go Green Valenzuela, mga kasama, ay ang ating programa pagtungkol sa sustainability at environmental protection. According to CENRO, our local CENRO, the air quality monitoring equipment provided by DENR consistently fall within the good or fair category. So good news po ito. But despite of this, one police car emits 380,000 kilos of carbon dioxide emission in 2023. No? Isa pa lamang po yan. And in 2024, mula January to August, a police car emits 384,000 kilos of carbon dioxide. No? So this is why one of the reasons mga kasama. Imagine mo na lang po, pinag-usapan lang natin police cars. Ang City Hall mismo, napakaraming sasakyan. We operate our own waste management. Napakaraming trucks natin. Kakabili ko lang ng 17 na brand new truck. Pasensya na po sa daming Christmas party ng Austrian Moses ko. So imagine po natin mga kasama, ang carbon dioxide na umiikot po sa ating lungsod. Alam niyo po, Valenzuela is home of 15,000 factories, warehouses, and commercial establishments. So doon pa lang po, makikita na po natin ang challenge natin pagdating po sa carbon monoxide. But at least with the Go Green Valenzuela, we are setting an example na ating police force, we are already contributing to Mother Nature. So next is our green initiative was already compensated by our ordinance, which is Ordinance 525, or the Environmental Code of Valenzuela. Nalilunsatan po natin ito noong 2018 as our symbol of our sustainability, as our guiding framework for our environmental and sustainable efforts. And just last night, nagpapasalamat po ako sa City Council, in overtime po nila another ordinance. This is a council resolution which is authorizing the use and leasing of spaces for charging stations or future investors of charging stations. Maraming salamat po sa ating City Council, headed by Vice Mayor Lori, for their support po at in overtime po nila ang ating resolution. So next is revving up our cost efficiency. As you can see po sa table po natin mga kasama, in 2022 to 2024, ito ang administration ko pala ang pag-usapan natin. The city spends close to 200 billion in gasoline and diesel for our police force. In 2022 to 2024, ang maintenance cost po natin, meaning yan, tune-up, change oil, gulong, battery, ay gumagastos tayo ng almost 100 billion. So totally, the total cost incurred will now be around 300 billion in those years. So ito pa lang po, malaki na po ang matitipid natin by going electric. Ang electric vehicle po, mga kasama, ay walang makina. Ibig sabihin, walang tune-up, walang change oil. Next is these savings can be redirected to priority projects, no? Like healthcare, education, and public infrastructures, allowing us to serve Venezuelans better. Cost efficiency equals savings to LGU, which equals to more budget for priority projects. So yan po, important part na kung ano man po ang natitipid po na lokal na pamahalaan ay mas magagamit pa natin sa mas mga importanteng programa. So our aim, ladies and gentlemen, is to make Valenzuela the first LGU with the largest EV police fleet in the country. So, ang aking pasasalamat po sa City Council that we have allocated close to 75 billion for the 41 units of electric vehicle. Ito po ang magiging itsura po ang ating BYD Dolphin. And I am also aiming to be the first LGU with the most number of charging stations. Like what Bob mentioned, we will be installing 22 charging stations. Ang color green po, ang color red po will be exclusive use sa ating mga kapulisan. At ang ating blue po will be used for public. Sinama na po natin dyan ang i-install ng BYD Valenzuela at ang existing charging station po na SM Valenzuela. So, the public charging station, maglalagay po tayo isa sa City Hall, maglalagay tayo isa sa alert. As you can see from the map, ang target location po ng public charging stations natin ay within the 3 major roads connecting Valenzuela, which is the MacArthur, the Mindanao Avenue, and our NLEX, highways. So para po ang public can have access to the 3 highways and to the charging stations that we will be installing in each of the areas near the highways. So the red will be installed, aswerte po tayo dito sa Valenzuela that we have 28 out of 33 barangays has our own, we have our own 3S centers or our mini government centers. And marami po sa mga 3S centers natin ay home po of our substations and other police offices natin. So magkakaroon kayo ng sariling charging stations, no? Kung may gumagamit man ng charging station kasalukuyan doon po sa inyong 3S center kung saan kayo naka-assign, pwede tayo tumalon sa next na 3S center para doon po tayo mag-charge. At dito po sa alert center, 4 po ang ilalagay po natin dyan, which is close proximity po sa PNP headquarters. And pag nagawa po ang bagong legislative and finance building natin, sa ilalim po nitong City Hall, maglalagay po tayo ng 2 sa legislative center at 2 po sa finance center para po sa usage ng requirement ng ating PNP headquarters. And public charging station po dito natin sa palutok natin. So as we close, when the government leads the nation, is inspired to follow. Starting with the transformation of our fleets, beginning with police cars, we set a powerful example for private companies, communities, and individuals to reconsider their own choices. As the adage goes, Rome was not built in a day. We recognize that our vision will not materialize overnight. But today, we take the wheel of change and drive towards a horizon of cleaner future, where progress does not come at the expense of the environment, and where our children inherit not just economic prosperity, but a livable Valenzuela City. So, at this juncture, nagpapasalamat po tayo sa AC Mobility, sa BYD, na magiging partner natin sa ating Go Green Valenzuela initiative, and of course, the support of NCRPO, NPD, and the PNP, and hopefully sa Chief po, General will invite hopefully our Chief to witness po itong very milestone, the first po na mangyayari sa Pilipinas. So, maraming salamat po, mabuhay po kayo lahat, at sa kanan po ng Kamalang Lungsod ng Valenzuela, kunin ko na rin po ang pagkakataon na ito na batiin kayo ng isang maligayang Pasko at manigong bagong taon sa inyo lahat.
Tuloy kayo, Mayor Wes Gatchalian, maraming salamat po. Thank you so much, Mayor. And now, the time has come for us to witness the ceremonial signing of the partnership agreement between the City Government of Valenzuela and AC Mobility. By inviting to the stage Mayor Wes Gatchalian, please. And on behalf of Vice Mayor Lauren Tignan Borja, we would like to request District 1 Councilor Marlon Alejandro to please join us here. And of course, Mr. Dennis Salvador, Mr. Antonio Zara, Mr. Bob Palaka, and Police Colonel Nixon Kayaman for the signing of the agreement. Again, ladies and gentlemen, this is the official signing of the partnership agreement between the City Government of Valenzuela and AC Mobility. Palakpakan po natin sila. At palakpakan po natin ang Valenzuela. Maraming salamat, AC Mobility and BYD Philippines.
Buti hindi nag-uublik na ito.
Again, maraming salamat po Ace Mobility, BYD Philippines, and the Iconic Dealership for this partnership here in Valenzuela City. Everyone for the photo opportunity. Valenzuela sign. Mayor West sign. All right. All right, thank you so much once again, Mayor Wes Gatchalian, Councilor Mario Garvino, Mr. Dennis Salvador, Mr. Antonio Sana, Mr. Bob Malacca, and Police Colonel Mixon Piaba. Thank you so much. You can now go back to your seats. And why not another?
BYD is the big chef that started here. Now, my grandpa said that BYD is the myth from the East. My mom was at BYD. She said BYD beats your jeans.
Simply an unforgettable model I've ever seen.
It's the most reliable companion to trust in this world.
It is the newest
BYD is my business partner of years. Even if driving fun is not, let the BYD brand.
All I know is that it's become the star of the house now. Wow, that's good to meet BYD. Where does that go to?
Of course, you're the dream teammate you can ever wish for.
He is daring in no trust. BYD is green in motion. Days to be here to allow him to mention.
It's the way back home.
dynamite, currently using in over 100 countries. It's BYT TV. This is BYT.
And that's BYD, round of applause, please. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let us lend our ears to NCRPO Acting Regional Director, Police Prisoner General Anthony A. Aberin for his message. Yes, sir.
Good morning po sa ating Mayor West Challenger sa BYD Philippines and his team at saka sa Asian Mobility, sir, sa members po na City Council at Valenzuela, sa ating mga PNP officers who are present today, other distinguished guests, friends from the media, sa ating lahat, magandang umaga po. Foremost, gusto ko pasalamat sa ating mayor for the continuous support na ibinibigay po niya sa ating Valenzuela PNP. Ang laki pala ng support natin ibinibigay. Imagine, yung mga police natin may cash allowance, may mga allowance na gasolina, may mga bala. Ngayon, napakaraming na sasakyan na ibinibigay. Particular programa na ang inyong NCRPO, of course, kasi dalawa naman ang importante yung mandato ng PNP, and that is crime prevention and crime solution. Sa crime prevention po natin, natutos po ang inyong lingkod ng full deployment ng ating mga pulis sa kalsada. I wanted to deploy our policemen on the streets kasi po wala po substitute yung presence ng warm body policemen sa ating kalsada. Although may mga CCTVs tayo, may mga technology, that will only help in the investigation. Yung presence ng mga police natin sa kalsada ay hindi po makatawaran dahil ang mga would-be criminals, mag-iisip muna natin 10 beses yan bago gumawa ng krimen kung may presensya ng ating mga police sa kalsada. But not only that, sa ating mga kapulisan, pag andun kayo sa kalsada, make sure that you are seen, heard, and felt by the community. Hindi yung andun lang kayo na walang pakialam. Any reports reaching my office na hindi kayo nakikialam, hindi kayo nakikisamuha sa publiko ay malalalag kayo at nananagot sa akin. So, with the support of the local city government of Valenzuela, there's no reason na hindi natin pag-iipayuhin ang ating servisyo rito. Dapat suklian natin ng maganda ang ibinibigay ng suporta ng ating unihing mayor ng City Council. Makakaasa pa ako doon? Kasi I understand most of you are resident of Valenzuela. Don't find any reason, don't give me reason para alisin po kayo dito. Ang isusukli nyo lang dito sa ating city government ay isang magandang servisyo. Kasi kung hindi kayo magbibigay ng magandang servisyo, ay we will sit down together. We will bring you somewhere else na makauhan kayo at eventually makiusap sa akin, sir, balik mo na ako sa Valenzuela at iinihan ko na aking pagsiservisyo. Sir, on behalf of the Philippine National Police, maraming salamat po sa tuloy-tuloy na napagpupos ng biyaya at suporta sa ating kapulisan. Muli, magandang umaga po sa akin.
Maraming salamat po, Police Regional General Aberin. Ayan mga kapulisan. May sinabi si Sir. I hope that they could hear, okay? Alright, and to give us this message, let's warmly welcome Police Colonel Nixon Cayaman, Chief of Police of the Valenzuela City Police Station.
Sa ating mayor, the very supportive and world-class mayor, Honorable West Gatchalian, sir. Vice Mayor Lauren Natividad Borga, represented by our Councilor Idol Alentrin, sir. Sa ating City Councilors, sa ating pong NCR PO Regional Director, soon to be Police Major General Anthony Abirin, sir. And of course, ang ating OIC Northern Police District, soon to be Police Brigadier General Josefino Diligan, sir. Salamat po sa inyong pagtulong at sa lahat po ng mga naririto sa okasyon na memorable occasion ng Valenzuela City. Isang karangalan at pribilehiyo para sa akin ang magsalita sa inyong harapan sa makabuluhang programa nito, Go Green Valenzuela, Steering Towards Electric Vehicle. Sa ngalan ng Valenzuela City Police Station, ipinapabot ko po ang taus-puso at labis na pasasalamat sa pamahalang lungsod ng Valenzuela at sa ating visionary leader, Mayor West Gatchalian, sa kanyang inisyatibong ito at priority ang ating kapulisan. Today marks a pivotal moment in our city's journey toward a more sustainable, thriving, and green environment with the procurement of brand new electric vehicles to serve as police cars for the Valenzuela City Police Station. We are not only advancing towards a cleaner, more eco-friendly future, but we are also taking an important step toward enhancing the livable city of Valenzuela. These initiatives puts Valenzuela on the map as a pioneer in the use of electric mobility within the Philippine Police Force. By introducing electric vehicle into our fleet, we are not only reducing the carbon footprint, but also ensuring cost efficiency in our operations. It is an essential leap towards innovation, and it speaks volumes about how Valenzuela is committed to leading by example in building a more sustainable and resilient future. As we work strides toward becoming the first local government unit in the country with the most of EV police cars, we are reminded of the responsibility that comes within this progress. I vow, on behalf of the police force, to continue serving the Valenzuela with utmost dedication, integrity, and care, ensuring that the benefits of this initiative reach every corner of the city. For Vice Mayor Lori, sa ating mga magsihal, at sa pamahalang lungsod ng Valenzuela, maraming salamat po. Of course, again, our Honorable Mayor West Gatchalian, maraming salamat sa tuloy-tuloy ninyong suporta sa Valenzuela Police Force. Thank you for unwavering commitment to a green and sustainable, progressive Valenzuela. This initiative reflects your vision of a city that prioritizes both the environment and the welfare of the people. We, the men and women of Valenzuela City Police Station, are proud to be a part of this transformation, and we are excited to work hand in hand with the city government in building a safer and greener future for all. Once again, thank you, and we continue to move forward the courage and purpose of the betterment of Valenzuela City. Tunay po na tuloy ang progreso sa Valenzuela, makakaasa po kayo. Napag Police Valenzuela ay disiplina. Good morning sa ating lahat.
Maraming salamat, Police Colonel Cayaman. At sa lahat po ng police natin sa Valenzuela, mabuhay po kayo, tuloy po ang protekta at depensa sa ating city ng Valenzuela. At this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to request everyone to please go out AC Mobility.
All right. I think we're ready. Once again, as we formalize the agreement, the moment we've all been waiting for has arrived. Together, we shall unveil our all-new electric vehicle. Are you guys ready for the countdown? All right, let's have a countdown. On! Let's begin in 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, Valenzuela City's electric mobility. Wow. Once again, thank you so much. AC Mobility, BYD, Car Philippines, BYD Valenzuela. To Mr. Antonio Zara, thank you so much. Miss Lovely Labrador, Mr. Bob Palanga, Mr. Dennis Salvador, and Mr. Chris Gamboa. Okay, announcement. Hindi po kakayanin ng ating platform ang maraming tao sa stage, so hindi po tayo pwede kumakyat ng sabay-sabay. Doing the demo, we have Councilor Tyson. And of course, we have our beloved Mayor Wes Gatchalian doing the demo. Joined by Police Brigadier General Anthony A. Aperin.
Umulan man o umaraw, tuloy ang progreso at asenso, tuloy-tuloy ang serbisyo, sigurado tayo ay panalo. Laging subok na maaasahan, panalo at the
once again, presenting to you our all-new electric vehicle, our first electric mobility.
Tuloy-tuloy lang, west, west, west. 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 Tuloy-tuloy lang. West, west, west. Tuloy-tuloy lang, west, west, west.
And once again, thank you so much to our guests from the Philippine National Police, Police Brigadier General Anthony Aperin, Police Colonel Josefino Ligan, and Police Colonel Nixon Cayaban. And to all our city councilors who are present here today, thank you so much, guys. At sa lahat po ng kapulisan dito sa Valenzuela City, mag-ingay po kayong lahat at lagi po kayong mag-iingat.
Laging subok na maaasahan, panalo at the best ang servisyo, tuloy-tuloy ang progreso, tuloy-tuloy ang asenso, dagat siya yan. West, 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 tuloy-tuloy lang, west, 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 tuloy-tuloy lang.
Magandang umaga po sa lahat. Palakpakan po natin ang city government ng Valenzuela sa pamumuno po ng ating kagalang-galang na mayor, si Mayor Wes Gatchalian. Pakinggan po ang palakpak natin! Susot! 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 Okay.
Now, we'd like to call our city government officials and the AC Mobility representatives to have a photo opportunity with our electric vehicle. So, yung iba po nasa taas, konti lang po yung pwedeng i-accommodate ng ating platform. Yung iba po sa ibaba na lang po ng platform.
Tuloy-tuloy ang progreso, tuloy-tuloy ang asenso, at agad siya yan. West, 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 tuloy-tuloy lang. 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 West, west, west.
Congratulations once again, Valenzuela City, for the successful partnership and for acquiring the electric vehicles.
BYD number 1.
And once again,
Number 1.
all right, another photo opportunity with some of our guests. All right, different angle this time.
West, 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 tuloy-tuloy lang. 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 West,
All right, smile everyone. All right, Valenzuela sign. And of course, our West Gatchalian sign. Again, congratulations, Valenzuela City, for the successful partnership for acquiring the electric vehicles. And once again, let's give a round of applause for another milestone in Valenzuela City. As we all together work to save our environment, the city government also continues to innovate services and adopt eco-friendly alternatives for a cleaner and greener Valenzuela City. Once again, this is Joel Molina, and thank you everyone for joining us this morning. Also, please join us for refreshments and networking as we continue to celebrate this momentous occasion. Tuloy ang progreso, Valenzuela! Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat at magandang umaga po.
West, 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 tuloy-tuloy lang. 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 West, west, west. Umulan man o umaraw, tuloy ang progreso at asenso. Tuloy ang serbisyo, sigurado tayo ay panahal. Lagi subok na maaasahan, panalo at the best ang serbisyo. Tuloy-tuloy ang